Good morning, everyone. Oh, look at that. That was an eagle. I don't know if you... Yeah, you did see that. That was a ridge-tailed eagle. Anyway, for anyone curious about the state of Eagleby Road and what the flooding's doing at the moment, I'm not even going to bother checking Schmidt because it's flooded. There's a bit of water there on the side, but nothing to really worry about. This isn't where it normally floods. This usually stays up for a little while, so it doesn't go under. Oh, there's a bit of water there on the side, but that's down. That's not going to stop the road from being used. As you can see, there's a fairly nasty looking storm over there on the horizon. Now, we're just coming up to the low patch here, and there's water nowhere near it. So yeah, this is completely clear. Although I don't know if you can see on the side to our right, that is certainly coming up, but it's a long way off flooding the road. Long way off flooding the road. Now I'm not going to touch my phone because you're not allowed to do that while you're driving. So it's being held by a device on my dashboard. So I apologise for the extra wobbling. Wow, look at those clouds. So I'm going to go have a look at Fryer Road. Let's have a sticky bit. The main reason I'm having a look is because my daughter's wanting to come and visit. So she's got an hour drive to get here. So she doesn't want to get all this way and find she can't get through, because that would be very bad. So it's a fair way down that we have to check. It's 11:15 on Sunday morning. I think it's the 9th of February. Yeah, it's just down here that usually floods if it's going to. And it's only a flash flood type thing, so it doesn't stay up for long. But with all these cars coming through, it's not flooded. It's all good. So we'll see how close it is to the road. Oh, nowhere near it. Nowhere near. No, that's going fine. That'll be definitely no flooding happening there. Let's come in and turn around and go back home again. Have a great one. Bless you.